Use a hand tamper first and follow with a vehicle-driven plywood plate for final compaction to get the most durable Quikrete Blacktop Repair patch. Start by removing all loose debris and dry the pothole as much as possible because moisture and loose material prevent the repair from bonding correctly. Pour the blacktop repair mix slightly overfilled above the surrounding pavement so you can compact down to level without leaving voids. For small repairs, use a hand tamper with flat, even strokes and focus on working from the edges toward the center to force material into any gaps beneath the patch. For deeper holes, compact in layers no thicker than 2 inches, adding and compacting each layer before adding the next to avoid trapped air pockets. After the hand tamping step, place a piece of 3/4 inch plywood over the patch and slowly drive a small vehicle tire back and forth across it, once or twice to distribute pressure and achieve uniform compaction. Finish by checking level with the surrounding pavement and add a light final tamp if any low spots remain. Common mistakes start with not cleaning and drying the pothole, which leads to poor adhesion and early failure. So always broom and blow out loose material and wait for surface moisture to evaporate. A second mistake is overfilling and then trying to compress one deep layer, which causes voids and weak spots. So build up the repair in 2-inch layers and tamp each layer before adding more. A third issue is compacting only with hand force and leaving the surface too porous. So always follow hand tamping with the plywood plus vehicle tire method to get the density and surface seal needed for longevity. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and shows real project examples, so we help people find help for driveway and paving repairs. We also have a discussion community on the site where contractors and homeowners share tips and experiences so we can all learn from each other.